everyone, this is Greedy from Beauty Kazam. I'm now in our factory, and these are some furnitures that are unfinished, but they are half the way. As you can see, we use the good pine wood to make the sofa body, and this one, they are all ready to put the spring. But for this one, they are all ready to the next step. As you can see, the spring here is very strong and thick because we use the best material. And the whole one, they are very clean. And each of the frame wood, they are packed with those foam, so they are good protected. You don't need to worry. As you can see, our factory, they are all good materials and perfect workers and good furniture. So if you want to choose the furniture, please choose us. This is Beauty Kazam, a luxury home furniture manufacturer.